What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back at it again with another video. Gonna make it dope for you, even though this is gonna be a little short. But man, I hope y'all doing good out there, man. For real, my muscle addiction fam. But if you can't tell in the background, we're at the car wash with it. Yup. Just got through washing up, making sure she clean. You know what I'm saying? Looking good, looking good, looking good. Real good. But yeah, making sure she clean, cause I got an early birthday present. Shout out to Bay. Looking out. Well, I'm losing one of them, but yeah, I'm making sure it's clean, cause right here, if you can't tell already, got me some window stickers, y'all. So I'm finna get them put on, and I get back. All right, so y'all, I'm back. I just took the backing paper off. If y'all don't know, or for those who don't know, whenever you get these, they gonna have two sides to it. You know what I'm saying? It's the back side, and this is the transfer paper. My bad. But I already got the other one off. Okay. Once you peel this off right here, the letters is gonna come with it. Okay. So I already got this one on here. Got it placed. Make sure it's right where you want it. Got me a credit card. Probably don't need it, but I'm gonna make sure. I'm just gonna hit this like I'm rapping. Up, down, side to side. Make sure it's in there good. When you go to take this transfer paper off, the letters can't come with it. So make sure it's on there good. Cause I done lost my paper. See, I ain't gonna cut none of this out. Let y'all see. Getting down with the nitty and the gritty. I'm losing everything, y'all. I'm losing everything. It's all for the footage. Bad camera blaring, but yeah, back to what we was doing. Back at it. Yeah, look at beautiful old me. All right, focus. All right, back at it. Okay, and once you get it on there, you think it's all good. You don't think it's gonna come up. Grab you a nice corner of it or whatever, and peel. Don't be in no rush, and it's best to peel at an angle so it don't come up. You know what I'm saying? Peel at an angle and pull one direction with it. Make sure you putting that force down or away from it. Oh, I'm losing it. All right, so we on there. Y'all see? Put my wallet on that. Yeah, he on there. That look good. That look real good. But we got this side on here. I'm gonna let y'all know when we get the other side out. So, matter of fact, let me stop. Put this in here. Before you, you say you're done with it, just go over with your finger or something. You know what I'm saying? Just go over with your finger. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's little air bubbles in there. Right there. But there's air bubbles in there. Just push them out. You know what I'm saying? You can work them out. Get them out of there. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it's on. So whenever you go through a pressure washer, it ain't gonna come off. You know, once it's on there, only time it's going on is when you want to change it up. But I got that on there. Got the other side laid on there and the backing paper off. So take the credit card and squeeze it down with it. And plus, you want to make sure, especially on something like this, you want to make sure it's down real good. Because when the window go up and down, you want to make sure that it ain't going with the, and getting caught up in there and all types of bad stuff. I ain't got to let you know, y'all, I ain't crazy. Get all as much air as you can out of it on there. You know, nice firm pressure. Put it on there. Okay, got that on there. All right, start from the corner, roughly the top. Start pulling down and away. Turned out better than I thought. Okay, down and away, down and away. Well, out and away. Let me rephrase that. So, yeah, we on there. Go through this. Make sure everything down. Oh, my bad. Make sure everything down. Everything. Make sure everything is down. Right. Go with my finger. See what I'm doing? Just going around, pushing everything down, making sure it's good. Especially the bottom. But the bottom and the top, everything is all important. So get them air bubbles out of there. Push the air bubbles up out of there. It's to my liking. All good. I think it looked about even. Trash. So, yeah. That's it. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I feel like I like this side better. Don't ask me why, but I feel like this is all nice and straight and even. And then you go to this side, then it's like, I don't know. It might be alright. Just feel like it's going down or something, but I don't know. But that's gonna be a wrap, man. It's just nice, short and sweet video for you, you know. This is it. Oh, hold up. Can't end this without a cold start. Can't do that. Try to get that. That's gonna be an end of today's video, man. Just like I say, short and sweet, nothing major. Just something I've been meaning to do to help the channel grow, my Instagram grow, so more y'all can be a part of the Muscle Edition family, man. But that's it, man. That's all I got for y'all, man. Y'all be blessed. Y'all stay safe, corona free. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. We going up, man. Y'all have a good one.